Alright, today we're getting this thing ready for sale. We're gonna do the works to it. Because it's been sitting outside for about a year and it's gotten pretty crusty. It's gonna look like a whole different jet ski when I'm done with it.
Gonna bring her back to life, eh?
Oh, yeah. The motor's still pretty clean.
It is actually surprisingly clean in there.
Yeah, because I kept it clean. The outside was dirty.
All right, so I'm gonna let him get started on this a little bit and we'll check back in a couple minutes and see how it's going. All right, you're splashing. So this is the jet ski. Last year we did a video on it. Was like, I think it was titled like a really fun jet ski for like $700 or something like that. How much did you pay for it?
700, 750 maybe, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, it was like somewhere in that range. So hopefully the person who buys this doesn't see the video because we're planning on trying to get a lot more than 750. I think you can get more than 750.
I want to at least ask around 1,000 and try to get something close to that.
I think you should ask at least like 1,200.
Yeah, we'll see. It's going to look a lot better once I'm done with it. Because I realize the only way I'm getting even close to the price that I want is if I make it look like it's showroom condition.
Showroom condition.
Oh yeah. Marketplace showroom condition here.
Like new.
Like new.
Only driven to and from church on Sundays by Grandma. Hey, tell me again, what was your marketplace line?
I said, I'm going to say, yeah, I bought this thing for my girlfriend, but she just thinks it's too fast for her. It's not fast.
What's that?
This thing's not fast.
But it's a 750 twin carb.
I mean, I guess it is. I don't know. I guess compared to the X2, it's slow. I guess in...
No, that's some good, that's some high...
What year is this? 93?
95?
95? I don't know, whatever it is. 90, whatever, I guess it was a fast jet ski.
It's really coming clean already.
I haven't really cleaned most of it. I'm just trying to scrub in the turf right now.
Now that's some good bullshit though, I gotta give it to you. I think this is gonna cut through the grime and mold that's on that thing better than the car wash soap. I feel like the car wash soap's more for shining, so we'll see.
Life left in it. 42%. Still good.
It's amazing how much better it looks. Oh, yeah. I'm being serious. Like it look. I mean,
it's gonna look
put the seat the right way for a second.
A lot better when I'm actually done.
I mean, the area around the exhaust. I mean, there's still.
Well, that's all getting repainted. It doesn't matter.
All right. So, what are your plans?
Gonna like all the areas that the paint's flaking off, sand down and just do a quick repaint. I mean, it's gonna be most of it. Oh, touch up like on this back bar. Everywhere where the paint's messed up, repaint and try to make things look a lot cleaner. I'm gonna do something to that the pad up by the front of it. I tried scrubbing the grip.
Okay, so that's it for this video then. The thing drastically looks drastically better. I mean, it's amazing how much better it looks. But in the next video, he's going to touch up the paint in a couple areas and see what we can get for this thing. So we hope to do another video within the next couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.